Welcome to the Brand Owner's Guide to Seller Central. Every Amazon seller can access various tools in Seller Central to list, price, and promote products, and to perform other core selling operations. If you're a professional seller or a seller with listing privileges for a brand enrolled in and approved by Amazon Brand Registry, you have access to additional tools. Let's take a quick tour of Seller Central and highlight some of the tools that brands use most. You can find each tool, program, and resource in Seller Central using the main menu. All selling partners can see the first 10 categories. If you're a professional seller, you'll see a B2B category. And if you're a seller verified as internal to a brand enrolled in and approved by Amazon Brand Registry, you'll see a category for brands. You can think of the first 4 menu categories in terms of the selling life cycle. Select Catalog when you need to add a product to your inventory or perform related operations, like applying to sell in a product category. After you've listed products, you can select Inventory to manage them. Manage items when they're handled via Fulfillment by Amazon, also known as FBA, or when you fulfill them directly. You can update the quantity you have in stock or suggest an edit to a product detail page for which you have listing privileges. All professional sellers can upload images in bulk for their listings, but only sellers with listing privileges for registered brands have the option to upload videos. That includes sellers internal to a brand, as well as resellers authorized by a brand. You can select Pricing to update the offer information for your listings, or set up rules that automate pricing. Finally, after customers buy your products, select Orders to manage any seller-fulfilled purchases. This part of the menu is also where all sellers can manage their returns. The next 6 menu categories in Seller Central offer additional tools and programs. All sellers can select Advertising to explore options for showcasing products with promotions, deals, and coupons. Professional sellers and sellers with listing privileges for registered brands can also use the Advertising menu to take advantage of cost-per-click options. They both can use our Campaign Manager to create sponsored products campaigns that reach customers when they search in the Amazon store. Only sellers with listing privileges for a registered brand can create sponsored brands campaigns that feature multiple items from the brand's catalog. Similarly, these sellers can create sponsored display campaigns that reach customers in and beyond the Amazon store. By going to the A+ Content Manager, sellers with listing privileges for registered brands can improve the footprint of a brand on individual product detail pages. Use this tool to add enhanced images and text placements, product comparison charts, and other features. Select Stores from the main menu if you're a seller with listing privileges for a registered brand and want to set up a separate page for the brand in the Amazon store. Stores require no coding and can be a simple way to enhance a brand's presence in the Amazon store. Next, when you're ready to stretch as a seller, select Growth from the main menu to explore product recommendations and specialty selling programs designed for various seller types. All sellers can also select Reports to understand their sales and customers better and to refine their business strategies. Get up to speed on payments from Amazon, review business reports, and assess the impact of your advertising. The next category, Performance, gives all sellers access to tools for reviewing their account health and customer feedback. You can also respond to customer claims and find Seller University in this category. Finally, all sellers can select Partner Network from the main menu if they want to use Amazon-approved apps and services. Review third-party software that might make selling easier, or find specialized third-party service providers for storage, taxes, compliance, and other areas. You'll only see the last 2 categories in the main menu if they apply to your seller type or brand status. All professional sellers can select B2B to access tools that help encourage sales from business customers. Visit B2B Central to view them all, or jump directly to a specific tool like Manage Quotes. If you're a seller who, as a product and rights owner, enrolled a brand in Amazon Brand Registry, you'll be able to select the brand's category. Other sellers internal to a registered brand are also able to select the brand's category. But this category isn't accessible to resellers who have been authorized by a brand. Select Brand Dashboard from this category to get a snapshot of the brand's performance in the Amazon store. Use this tool to understand brand health related to our customer experience standards, or select the Search Terms Optimizer to learn how to improve your product titles. You can also explore customer reviews. The tool in the next category, Brand Analytics, offers insights to sellers internal to the brand that can help them make data-driven decisions about their products and advertising. Use the Amazon Search Terms Report to understand how customers find your products. Or try the Repeat Purchase Behavior Report to see the number of orders received for each of your products. All sellers internal to a registered brand can also use the Manage Your Experiments feature to optimize their brand-related content. Use this feature to test the discoverability of different types of A+ content and product titles. We also provide sellers internal to a brand with access to the Customer Engagement Campaign Manager. This tool lets you create and send campaigns to customers who follow the brand in the Amazon store. The last tool in the brands category is Virtual Bundles, which lets sellers internal to a registered brand group and sell their FBA inventory. If you know that customers tend to buy certain items together, try bundling those items to make purchasing easier. This concludes our Brand Owner's Guide to Seller Central. As a reminder, other brand-specific tools, including those used for enrollment with Amazon Brand Registry, are available at brandservices.amazon.com. We encourage you to explore each tool and program and to check out other modules in Seller University that explain each feature. The Seller University library also contains related modules for creating and managing Seller Central account information and Amazon Brand Registry users and roles. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!